100% sure that you are stressed about your future right now, and that's why you're watching this video. I know that sometimes you forgot to eat, you forgot to sleep, okay? At late night, you're still awake thinking, overthinking about what you're gonna do after 10 years. How will your life look like after 10 years? And what will you do? What will be your job? And how you will be living your life? Will you ever be successful or not? You are puzzled thinking about that. And I have also heard this, that many people also forget to work while overthinking. Okay, they are spending their whole day overthinking about their future, and in present time you're doing nothing. Now what you need to do is think about present. Whatever you will be doing in your future, whatever you have done in your past, forget everything. Forget all the regrets, all your memories that you have made, and the embarrassing situations, everything. If you have wasted your time in your past, now you're feeling guilty, also forget about that, because now you're conscious about your time. Now you are very much aware about your time, so start working now. Okay, listen carefully, guys. All you need to do is start working from today. Win your today, win the day. Okay, whatever you are doing right now will result your future. If you're thinking of building a beautiful wall and you keep thinking about the styles, how will I decorate my wall after 10 years, after years, okay, but you are actually doing nothing about it, so it's an absolute lose. Okay, you will fail in making that wall. You need to learn how to place every brick of the wall very perfectly, how it should be placed. Okay, you need to practice making a beautiful wall from now, so that it gives a perfect result after 10 years and it turns out to be a perfect wall. So this brick that you are building today, that you are putting in the wall, is your today. Okay, one brick means one day that you are spending daydreaming about your future, but actually not placing a brick. You know what, if you keep thinking about your future too much, way too much, then you will paralyze your own mind. Your mind will not be able to analyze it, because in 10 years there is a lot of tasks you have to do, and your brain will paralyze thinking that, oh my god, so many tasks, how will I manage everything? And eventually it will do nothing and just be fatigue. Our brain cannot tolerate that much stress of work. Okay, so when you are putting this information in your mind that you have to work so much ahead in 10 years or 15 years, then your mind freezes. Okay, so instead of putting a lot of pressure, you can break it into steps and do it like, today I will do this much task, and this is totally dedicated towards my future. Okay, this is what's gonna work. Okay, have you ever spent these types of days that you have been thinking a lot about your future but actually doing nothing about it? Like, you are worried that I have so many works left, and you are feeling anxiety, worried about it, but you are actually doing nothing about it. Okay, so without worrying about how many tasks I have, how many years I have left to make out my future, without thinking about it, without worrying about it, you can actually start working. Don't think about anything, just start doing your work. That will actually help you to win your day. Okay, for your betterment, I can give you a tip about how to be successful very simply and without taking a lot of pressure about your life, and take it very simple way. That is, what's the better version of me that feels right just to win the day? Okay, whenever you are starting your day in the morning after you wake up, you need to feel like, today I have lots of tasks, so what I need to be? Consistent, persistent, and strong. Okay, these three words, every day in the morning you need to think of three words that will lead your day. Okay, it's like a north pole star of your day, and it will lead you throughout the day. You are gonna follow that three words in today. Okay, you are gonna keep that in your mind, so whenever you're feeling lazy or tired, you feel like scrolling your phone or taking a bit rest in between your work, you will start thinking about those three words. It can be anything. If it's Sunday and you're feeling like, okay, I need to be jolly today, so okay, you need to be playful, you need to be gentle, and you need to be hardworking, so you can make out a better version of yourself every day. Okay, you do not need to live your life like you have been leading since decades of your birth. Okay, you do not need to wear the same clothes every day. If you feel like wearing another cloth, if you feel like wearing another color of you, wear it. Okay, wear different personality every day until you find out which personality suits you the most. For example, I am feeling very hardworking today. I am feeling like I will win the war, so today I am feeling very confident, very hardworking, and also gentle on myself. I will not overwork myself and I will not burn out myself. So I will be gentle, yet I will be hardworking and I will be consistent. Okay, I will be confident. So you need to decide every morning what you are gonna be. So every morning you wake up, your first work will be, today I need to find out 3 words that will lead my day and I will win this day today. Okay, keep it in this mind. To get a better, beautiful wall, you need to make a better brick of yourself. This brick is today. If you want to skip today, like, today I'm not feeling well, so you are skipping that break, so your wall will be weak. It doesn't matter how you are working, how much hard work you are doing. It's not like you need to make every second of you like tight schedule, every second of you productive. No, you can take a break in between, you can be gentle on yourself, but making sure that every day be productive, and also it makes a win day, okay, for the better future of yourself. It should be dedicated towards your future. It's not like you're trying to crack a government examination and you're playing outside whole day and then you're saying like, no, I was taking care of my health. No, that doesn't work that way, because this brick you are building, this brick is not dedicated to your future. Okay, so every day should be dedicated to your future. So make sure you win every day. You don't have to be the same person you have always been. Okay, you don't have to be the hardworking one. Okay, you have to read and write every day, go to office, go to school, go to college every day. No, you can bring out different energies. That's a very interesting fact about yourself. You are only the same person in your mind. If you want, you can be a different personality next day. It's just your mind, and also you're thinking that way because you look the same every day, but you wear different clothes, right? That's how you can make also, like, you can pull out different personality of yourself. So every morning see your to-do list and bring out 3 words that goes very much and that will make your day a win-win in this personality, and follow that 3 words the whole day. So I hope it was clear whatever I said, that you need to win your day to be a better future, to have a better future after 10 years. Instead of worrying and overthinking about your future, you can actually work for it every day. So keep each and every point I said. And also the last point is to be gentle on yourself. Don't take a lots of stress on your head. It's not your duty. It's life. You need to live your life, live your present. Every time be in present. Don't be in your past, don't be in your future. Whatever you have done in your past, whatever you will do in your future, it's completely like out of your hand. What it's in your hand is your future. So don't waste your time thinking about your past and future. Just focus on your present, work for your future and have a better future, and take breaks, relax yourself, meditate, do affirmations, because whatever you say about yourself, even if it's a joke, then it will be transformed into real life. So do not stress about your future, and don't say like, oh no, I will not be able to do anything in your life. No, who said like that? You are studying, you are working hard every day. Is it worthless? No, right? It's have a worth, and you will get the result of your hard work. So keep working hard and keep supporting yourself. Okay, you do not need anyone else to believe in you. You do not need anyone else to clap for you when you are having hard time. You just need yourself. So keep believe in yourself, have trust in the process, and keep going, keep working hard, and live your life. So that was it for my today's video. Yeah, the video is quite short today, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions, then you can use my comment section. And if you have any suggestions, then you can use my comment section. I'll be really glad if you suggest any topic. And yeah, see you all in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.